So I want to do a quick video. I'm replacing a Honeywell communicator, and I'm putting in a Starlink communicator. This is the model number. It's pretty simple. The difference between the two is the Honeywell uses AC voltage, so they had it wired to this transformer here. If you hook that up to this communicator in the power port, it'll burn it up. So make sure to change that to auxiliary power on the panel and measure it with your meter. See right there where it says connect to regulated DC only. So make sure to pay attention to that. Check your voltage before you hook it up. Make sure that it's within the specs. It says 12 to 24 volts DC. So make sure to check your aux power. Make sure it's not too high. Also, before you power it up, always connect your antennas, because you can burn up your RF receiver inside the device. That's just pretty much any wireless device. Always connect the antenna before powering up. And in this case, I took down the communicator. It's got zippets in the wall. So I'm gonna reuse those zippets, and I'll move one over, once I get the communicator up there and mounted. So I'll leave these others in the wall because it leaves a hole whenever you take it out. And the fire panel that we're working on here today is a Vista fire alarm panel. I really do not like Berg fire combos. People still use them though. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.